Hello guys, welcome to How to Fix Tech. In this video guys, we are going to install the Windows 10 on the VirtualBox or the Oracle VM. So first of all, we need to have two tools only here. The first one is Oracle VM and the second one is Windows 10 ISO file. So we will go with first the VirtualBox, how to download it first. Okay, just open any browser which you use and you need to type here download VirtualBox and hit enter. Now go to first link of the VirtualBox official website and you need to select here Windows host. Once you click on that, it will instantly install the exe on your system. So you can see it is going to install now. So you just need to double click on it to run guys. It's very easy to run. I have already run it, so I'm not going to run it again. So it's very easy to install and you can see its general details here as well. I have installed it. Okay, and the second software you need to have is Windows 10 ISO. So I hope you have Windows 10 ISO. Windows 10 ISO. Now go to first link. Now in here guys, this is the lengthy process to make a bootable pen drive or Windows 10, but this is the official website of it. So I will provide its full video how to download it and how to make a bootable pen drive of Windows 10. Okay, I have already downloaded it. Let me show you here. So I have downloaded this Windows 10 ISO. As you can see here, this is almost 5 GB, but the process is like this. It is not working, I guess. Windows 10 ISO. Okay, I guess it is slow. Yes. Okay, I guess some issue with their website. As you can see, other websites are working fine here. Yes, and this is not working, but you need to go to here and then simply download the Windows 10 ISO. So if you have already it, so let's start this. So you need to double click on the Oracle VM VirtualBox in order to set up a Windows 10. And once you have selected it, you will see the interface like this. I have installed Windows 7 on it, so we are going to install the Windows 10 now. So we need to click on here the new options. You should not be able to see the Windows 7 here since you don't install it. So click on new and we are going to install Windows 10. So name it Windows 10 and the location you can see here, the location from where all the data or the other things will be saved, like its image will be saved on this location. So if you have enough space in your C drive, then let it default. I recommend you to choose its default here if you have enough space in the C drive. If you don't have, so go to other options, simply click on this PC and I am going to select here this drive, double click on it and you can make folder here. I have already made Windows 10 VM Windows 10 and nothing on it, you can see here. So I'm selecting that option here and click on select. Now this will be the path here and you can disk image, so let it, we will do it later. Click on next. Now in here guys, this is a memory which you want to assign it. So you can see it is almost 2 GB, correct 2 GB. If I drag it, it is 4 GB. So we can choose accordingly whichever you want. So for the demo purpose, I'm going to assign it 1 GB, and the processor, how much you want to assign it, I'm going to assign it 1 core. Next, And you can also choose enable U, but this is not recommended. Now in here guys, create the virtual hard disk. So this will be created in my this drive. Since we have given its path to this V drive, so I'm going to give it like almost 30 GB, and next, now finish it. Now once you finish it guys, you will see its setup is ready, but we need to mount the ISO of Windows 10 here. So go to setting here, and once you go to setting guys, we need to go to storage, click on empty options here, and then click on this drop down, and then choose a disk file, and it is automatically picking up. So click on step by step, I will show you. First go to this PC. Okay, you will see your drive where the ISO is, then here Windows 10 ISO. If it is not showing here, go and select here the all files. Okay, you should be able to see your ISO here, then click on open. Now it's mounted. Now click on OK. So you need to make sure that go to free port here and then mount it. Now we are good to go. Now it's mounted. Now it's time to start the installation. Click on start here simply, and this is very easy process to install Windows 10 on VirtualBox. And if you are using the old Windows and you are getting some kind of errors, so also you need to make sure the virtualization is turned on your system. How to check that guys? Go to performance here and go to CPU. Click on CPU. Once you click on CPU, you can see here virtualization enabled. It should be enabled, otherwise you will get other kind of errors. So go to BIOS and just enable this option. I'm not covering to how to enable the virtualization, but you can simply enable, go to BIOS option. Okay, so it's running now. Okay, it has started. So let's wait for some time here. It's running. Let me minimize this. Okay, let me stop it once, power off, and then simply normal start. If it asking any key or press any key, let's see. The setup should automatically run here, but still we can wait here. Powering VM up 0%. Starting now, you can see it has started. Okay, the pop-up has come up. So let's wait guys until it gets up. Let me pause the video here. So it's now pop up, you can see here. Just wait here, it will load. So now in here guys, we just need to select here as it is. Next, click on install. The setup is starting. So you can see here the appearance like this. So click on I don't have a product key. I don't think that anyone need to have the product key for VM, but if you have, you can also choose here and select your operating system. Here I'm going to select Windows 10 Pro, and you can select as per your choice. Click on next. Now accept terms and conditions, you have to accept that. Now select your custom install Windows only, advanced. Now unallocated space which you have given, you should see here guys. Just you need to click on next, and now the installation process will begin automatically. You don't need to do anything from here now, just wait for the process. So let me pause the video for some time while it will done to 5 stages. Okay, so let me pause here. Now it has gone to the second, getting file ready for installation. So let's wait for some time again.